Hello everyone, so today I got this fabulous villa to show you. We are on Sector A and it is a 2-bedroom Fortuna property. So let's go in and have a look around. So this is the property in question. As you can see, very decorative walls and it makes it very private. You have a pedestrian gate and off-road parking. You also have a garage with this property. So it's really beautiful. Lovely day today, guys. Look at those blue skies. So that is the road from one end. I'll just pan around slowly. Don't want to make anyone dizzy. And just straight down there are all the amenities of Camposol. Okay. On Sector A we have doctors, vets, shops, everything you can possibly think of, even a hospital. So this is the front of the property. Just showing you the garden there. And just here there is one step down, and of course you have your garage down there and parking for one car as well. So really parking for 2 cars in this property. Okay. So you have a lovely terrace here, but you know what, guys, before I take you into the main house, as you can sit outside here and chill, I'm going to take you around the perimeter and we'll have a look at these beautiful gardens. A lovely palm tree, cactus. All these plants are very hardy plants and easy to maintain, and all this area is laid to decorative shale, so very easy maintenance garden. As you can see, the walls are raised for privacy as well. So you have a pool cover here. I can see the pool from here. Quite excited to show you around the back of the property here now. So this is the pool. It's got a beautiful dolphin. As you can see, the steps there have a seat on either side where you can sit and just relax in this pool. I'll take you all around. We'll have a good look at this pool area. There are the steps to the kitchen there. Just over here you have an underbuild, and that just has storage in it. Nice size. Let's go inside. So I'm inside the underbuild. You could do a lot more with it if you wanted to. I'm actually stood up straight in here. You've got log storage down the far end, and it's got electrics, and you've got another door there under the rest of the property. Okay. So I'm just going to pan around. So this would make a great little man cave, or just to store your tools or whatever, you know. So I'm back in the garden now. And you have another room here. I'm assuming this is the back of the garage. Yes, it is. So it's quite a big garage. Now with the got a window here, got electrics and everything. So that's the garage. You've got a lovely area to sit here and enjoy the sunshine. You've got your shower just there. And all these tiles are non-slip tiles as well. I don't know what kind of shape that pool. It's definitely not kidney shape. And it's not a straight one, but just look at inside. You've got the seats there where you can just sit and splash your feet. Just up there on the main terrace you have a barbecue. But you know what, I'm going to take you around the front and we go through the main house from the front. So I've just come back around now and we come onto this beautiful terrace. Now this is a great place just to relax and chill. You can put an awning and you can enclose it, but why would you want to do that? You have the lovely warm Spanish breezes every day coming through here, and it's just lovely to look out on your terrace and enjoy the sunshine. You can always sit out here and have a bit of lunch as well. So let me take you inside to the property. As you can see, there's wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows, and you've got these beautiful Spanish tiles surrounding the door and the window. Okay, you've got a lovely light above, very decorative. So let me go inside with you guys. As you can see, a very, very modern door. So guys, I've just come into this beautiful home. You have the archway that immediately leads you into the dining area. You have a second archway that leads to the family bedrooms and the family bathroom. This is the lounge area, which is quite long. So I'm going to take this lounge area at a different angle. So as I'm taking this at a different angle, you can see how long this room is. You got 2 windows. You have 2 lights above, and you also got your ceiling fan as well. Just straight directly in front, you've got a log burner fire. Now that log burner fire really heats this whole house up, especially in the winter. It's like really snug. The windows have blackout blinds and wreckers on them. And I'm just going to come across here, walk around, and we're going to go through this archway, and we're going into the bedrooms. We'll do the guest bedroom first. So we have a guest bedroom which looks out onto the terrace outside. It's a double bedroom. You can put 2 single beds in here, no problem at all. You have double glazed windows in here. There's your ceiling light and fan above. I'm just going to double glazed windows that they've put in. And as I pan around, you have got your integrated wardrobe with your overhead storage. Okay. So just in here is your shower room. As you can see, quite a big shower with clear glass in it. You've got your WC and your vanity unit. You've got your frosted glass window there, which is also double glazed window. And you've got your shaving socket there. Just over the door, you have an overhead heater. Okay. So I'm going to go over and have a look in the master bedroom. So this is lovely, bright and airy room. You have your aircon in here, switches and sockets on either side of the bed. And if I just turn around here, you have your integrated wardrobe with your overhead storage. Okay, so we're going to go out and around. And this is your dining area just here. In your dining area, again, you have aircon, your double glazed windows, blackout blinds and wreckers on the windows. And just here is your kitchen. So it's a nice modern kitchen. Really unusual doors on the top and base units. You've got your sink and drainer, your electric hob, your washing machine and your dishwasher. Lovely granite worktops. I'll just show you the type of granite in here. Show you that detail, really very nice. Okay, and the granite worktop is the splashbacks as well. Now there is a doorway through here where you got your large fridge and your doorway out onto the terrace. But just here they have a downstairs toilet and shower. So you have a small sink, WC, and you have a shower in there. So, good place. So let's go outside. We're going out onto the terrace. Now I've just showed you all around the garden, which was really lovely. And this is the terrace. This is directly outside of the kitchen. So it's only a few steps from the kitchen to serve your family on a nice table with possibly 6 chairs, or you got your barbecue there. So this could be really relaxing outside space, especially in the summertime. Just coming down here, I'm going to pan around for you now. And as you see above, they have an awning. That awning can come out, so it covers you in the shade. I'm going to take you upstairs to the rooftop solarium, and we've got all these lovely little elves all the way up the steps. I've just come up to the rooftop solarium, and what awaits me are these beautiful views up here. Absolutely lovely. And if I pan around, you can see the countryside, the olive trees and everything else for miles. Really beautiful. Focusing back in now on the terrace here. You could put some lounges here, and it's very private for sunbathing, you know, and the shops are only literally down the road. Okay, you've got all the amenities here. The beaches are about 20-minute drive, and there's several of them, and you have all the amenities on Camposol: vets, hospitals, shops, bars, supermarket, everything you could possibly want. In fact, you don't need to leave Camposol unless you want to go to the beach. So let's go back downstairs now. So I've just come back into the property. I'm leaving by the front door now. So if you are interested in this villa, which is really lovely, do contact info@to-let-to-sell-to-buy.com, or check out our website for more details and photos of this property. Okay, in the meantime, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and please share on your social media, because there's someone out there who would just love this property, really would. So have an amazing day, guys, and I see you soon.